Nowadays, it's easy to get project management certifications like within 2 days. So from the Scrum Master certification to SAFe to, CAPM, so many certifications out there. And the trend is for people, especially aspiring project managers, to just go out there, use their money and get certifications and then claim that they are project management certified and therefore experts in project management. And then when you actually do interviews of these people, you realize that they don't know how to apply what they have learned in these certifications to actually perform the job role. That's the current situation and trend happening now with aspiring project management professionals. And this is quite frustrating for hiring managers. So in this video, I'll be sharing things that you have to do before, during, and after getting certified, so that you can separate yourself from people who are just getting certifications for, certification's sake, and present yourself as a project management professional. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, yes, thank you for joining me on this learning journey and supporting me along the way. For those that are new, my name is Ogaga Johnson, and I help aspiring and established project management professionals to start and grow successful careers in project management. And on this channel, I share everything about a career in project management, whether it's starting or advancing a career in project management, as well as life lessons from my project management career and business. So if you're interested in learning about project management, whether it's to advance your project management career or to start a project management career, then click on the subscribe button and let's learn together. So like I said in this video, I'll be sharing what to do before, during, and after getting a project management certification, because it's not enough to just get a certification. And I'm sure you must have experienced that just getting a project management certification doesn't get you a job. That is not the ultimate criteria to get you a job. Now, project management certifications are good. They're very good because they help you to show your credibility and to demonstrate that yes, you have the project management knowledge and you can do the work of the project manager by applying this knowledge. So that's what a certification does. It shows credibility and helps you demonstrate your project management knowledge. However, that's not all. The most important thing when it comes to the role of a project manager is to be able to perform the project work. So before getting any certification, don't just get like a Scrum Master certification because people are getting Scrum Master certification. Don't just get a PMP certification because people are getting a PMP certification, or a SAFe certification because that's what people are getting. First of all, before you get any certification, think about your long-term career goals and your career expertise. That's the first thing to do. When you have answered that question, so for example, I want to be a Scrum Master expert. I want to be able to use the Scrum methodology. I want to be an agile coach. This is where I want to focus on, delivering digital products. Okay, perfect. Then because of that, the next thing you will do is, okay, if I want to achieve this and grow my career in this line, then what are the certifications that will help me to know more about this, Scrum Master, delivering digital products? What are the certifications out there that will help me to become very good at delivering this role and achieving my career goals? That's the next thing to do. Once you have looked out for the certifications, then you can now do those certifications. And you know what? That is how to know the certification to do. Once you do this, you are doing certifications with a purpose. You're not just doing it because, this is a trend certification, or this is what people are doing, or this is what people say you should do not to land a project management role. No, you're doing it because this is the certification, the right certification you need in order to take your career to where you want it to be, your career goals, to achieve them. So this is what you need to do before you take any certification. This is how you will know the right certification for you. All right. So let's say you've decided that, okay, do you know what? I want to lead large digital products. So because of that, it is the SAFe, skilled agile framework that I need to equip myself in and know so that I can actually do the work, in that environment. Now you decide to go and do the SAFe because it's in line with what what you want to achieve. Now, during the process of studying about SAFe, and all the different frameworks that you will learn, what you need to do is start, relating all that you're learning to a previous project work or life experience. The reason why this is very important is because what you're learning becomes relatable. It becomes memorable. You're like, oh yeah, so you mean when I was delivering that software development project or that application, what I was doing when I had two different teams that were delivering one part of the project, another part of the project, that was actually like skilled agile. Oh yeah, because two teams working on the same product but different aspects so that we can deliver quickly. Oh, okay, good. When I was doing that thing I was doing, I didn't know what it was. Oh, like Scrum of Scrums. You're relating it to what you have done a previous work. Even if you didn't know that what you were doing was actually, a SAFe principle, you are relating it. Or do you know what? Sometimes you may even realize that what you did was just plain rubbish. It was not the real Scrum, was not the real SAFe methodology. But by relating it, you can now see that, this was not good what I did, and this is why I had issues. This is the right thing to do and the right way to do it. Bam! By relating it to project work, you are making it more practical. You are seeing that you are starting to apply what you're learning. It now moves from the realm of theory to the realm of practical. So that's what you have to do during the process of taking any certification. So after the certification, what's next? Rewrite your experiences, your project work, using the terminologies, using the things you've learned from doing and taking that certification, that Scrum certification. Rewrite it in that way. So talk about the two different Scrum teams you had, use the terminologies, talk about the Scrum of Scrum, use the terminologies, and talk about how you delivered that complex software development project, based on your knowledge of the SAFe. And then if you have an opportunity, whether within your organization or volunteering to another organization, to actually develop and deliver a project using the SAFe methodology, then why not use the SAFe framework, deliver a project and add it to your resume. Okay, start using. That's the point. Start using the experiences and the learnings from the SAFe methodology. Remember that when you were doing the methodology, you were relating it to things, making them memorable, moving from theory to practical. Now, after the certification, it's time to apply those learnings. It's time to actually do, a work experience or, a simulation of you actually delivering a project using the SAFe framework. Whether it is within your organization or it is like a volunteer within another organization, it doesn't matter. The point is deliver a project using the SAFe framework to show that indeed, not just for the company that will employ you, but to yourself, for yourself, to show that yes, I can apply the knowledge learned from this SAFe framework to actually deliver a project. Because in that way, you'll be confident during an interview to defend this certification you have and show that yes, I don't just, it's not just that I have the certification, but I can do the work that the certification says I can do. So this is what you need to do before, during, and after getting a project management certification, so that indeed that certification you have gotten can actually work for you, so that the money you've invested, the time, the resources you've invested in getting that certification is not a waste, doesn't go to waste, but is actually useful and helps you to really advance your career and achieve your career goals. Now, if you want to know more about different project management certifications, click on the video. You will see I've talked about various project management certifications. I've also talked about in-depth how to pass a PMP certification. So click on these videos and I will see you in a few seconds. Thank you for watching.